Hello, my name is Mr. Carcido, and I teach world history, 10th grade, and US history, 11th grade. And so want to share with you here in front of you the Canvas dashboard. This is what your son and daughter, when they log on to Canvas, is what they see, all these tiles of their different classroom classes for the semester. And as an example today, I'll use World History Period 2 to demonstrate what your son and daughter, what they do, how they engage my classroom. And so I selected this tile. And so on here, you would see that there's announcements, specifically agendas. Over here, what your son and daughter, let me put the student view. Your son and daughter would see this. The agendas, for example, today's agenda. Up here, how do they access the WebEx, which is the way they log on video, so that they can see my class and engage my classroom. Is here's Cisco WebEx. The announcements, which are here in front of you. The modules are all the assignments that they turn in, and they can see what their grade is, as well as the syllabus. So in here, the first thing, the way we start off every day, is the agenda. What are we doing for today? So this is the agenda, obviously, for today, March 29th, with schedules, the changes, spring break coming up, and a survey that they can take from Pasadena High School. All the assignments, everything is self-contained within Canvas. They can email me questions here in this inbox. They can email me directly, but everything is found in the modules, which are units, broken up into units. And let's go ahead and go to the modules. And this is the newest module that we're doing, the newest unit. It's called Nation Building, decolonization. But in here, if you scroll, if a student scrolls down, you can see that they just finished taking an exam on the Cold War. And all these units are self-contained. All the assignments are here, and they submit everything. I grade it. They receive points, and all the points are here. All the due dates are here, and they can scroll. And my policy is to receive late assignments. There's no penalty for late assignments, so they have access to everything, all the units. World War II, we covered. And again, the most recent is at the top, and then the older assignments are at the bottom chronologically. And so here, World War II, we covered. Here's the assignments, the due dates, and the points. The 1930s, the Great Depression also, and World War I. That's when we started the first semester. So they may, your son and daughter, they can turn in assignments. They're open, and they can submit them. And I grade once a week. And they can see what their score is here in the grades. This is not the official grade book. The official grade book is Aries. And so I let my students know that once a week I transfer the grades onto Aries, and Aries calculates their grade. So the grade on Canvas is usually different than the Aries grades, because the grade on Canvas does not give zeros for assignments that haven't been turned in. Aries does the calculations, and if an assignment hasn't been turned in, it's marked as a 0. So I tell my students, and also for your purposes, Aries, a grading program, is the official grade book, and that's the most accurate grade. And so let's go ahead and let's see, I don't have Aries open here, but this is what the class is about, ladies and gentlemen, world history. And let me just go back home. And here again, they have access to all the information of what we're doing, the syllabus. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me, email me. That's the fastest way. And again, ask your son and daughter, what are they doing in my class, so they can show you their assignments and the work that they've done. Have a wonderful day. Again, my name is Mr. Carcido. I teach world history, 10th grade, and US history, 11th grade. It's a pleasure. Bye-bye.